Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. I'm at Freetown Farm, and again I want to thank everybody that has donated. I'll put a donation link in the video description. This is where the money's going, and we are still building out the youth garden. Today I want to show you, really in 2 minutes, how to build a cattle panel arch for trellising up peas, beans, all kinds of different plants, gourds, cucumbers. So if you look down there, you can see how the cattle panel is pushing outward. It's not stable. I'll show you that in a second. So basically, cattle panel comes in 4 foot wide sections that are 16 feet long. It's about $25, and to transport them, you're going to want to bend them into a truck like that. You're going to need a truck. At 16 feet, by keeping the distance between the paths 3.5 feet to 4 feet, this is a little bit longer than 4 feet, you're going to get a 6.5 foot arch. Plenty of distance to walk through. You're going to use the T-posts. You can get any kind of T-post. You're going to want one for each side. There are 2 pieces here. I'll show you how I put them together in a second. And you just drive the T-post down on the inside of the box. That keeps the cattle panel from pushing outward. So it's 1, 2, because there's 1 piece there, there's 1 piece there, and then another 2 T-posts on the other side. Set them up how you want. You could put a gap between them if you want. If you're going to make a longer tunnel, definitely use some wire, tie them together. But this is just the basic setup. Let me spin around, get my shadow out of here. And you can see that it's nice and sturdy. These are going to last for decades. So you definitely want to get metal posts. Don't use wood because they're going to decay and break. Get the metal posts, and then once you set this up, it's good for 10 years or so. If you don't put in the T-posts, you can see how wobbly everything is. And you know, you could use that, but it's just going to get weighted down. If it gets weighted down on one side, it's going to lean. So drop in the T-post, set up the arches however you want. We're doing 2 behind me, 2 right here. Continue walking, 2 more, and come spring, this will be all cleared out. We'll have beans and gourds and cucumbers, peas early on, different vining crops all growing up here. And again, you want the T-posts, because if not, it's going to look something like that. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.